Hey guys, welcome back to another Best of Wall Street Bets video. Today we're going to be looking at some of the top losses and gains from the past couple weeks. If you're new to the channel, we make videos covering insane Wall Street Bets traders and other topics related to the hottest stocks right now. So be sure to subscribe and hit the bell if you want to see more. To begin, we have the user Slamson posting a Robinhood screen recording showing that his account went from about 17K in May all the way up to 70K by July. Slamson purchased Amazon July 17 $3,000 calls, DocuSign July 17 $182.50 calls, DocuSign July 31 $195 calls, and Tesla July 10 $1,100 calls. Luckily for him, Amazon continued to rally during the past few months to over $3,000. DocuSign also rocketed up to nearly $200, and Tesla spiked up to over $1,300. By the time Slamson sold his calls, his account value was $68K, up $51K from his initial deposit of $17K. Slamson had many chances to sell for a profit, but diamond hands paid off for him big this time. He considers himself a momentum trader and usually throws between 1K to 4K into his options trades and doesn't wait until expiry. He says his Tesla play was a YOLO, but believes DocuSign and Amazon still have room to grow. For his next play, he plans to YOLO 10K into eBay earnings. Congrats on the massive gains, and best of luck with your future plays, Slamson. Next up, we have the user Fogg, showing off how he made $4 million in 7 months with his Tesla calls. In early December 2019, Fogg only had 2 to 3K left in his account, then YOLO'd it on AMD to reach 6K. He then started trading Tesla from there. On January 8, 2020, he posted screenshots showing how he turned 10K into 420K with numerous Tesla calls. But this wasn't enough for him to stop trading Tesla. On February 3, 2020, he posted a Robinhood screen recording showing that his account has climbed all the way up to nearly $2 million. In the comments on this post, he accepted the challenge to turn this $2 million into $4 million. He also mentioned that he has only deposited 25K into Robinhood all time and had been down to his last 2K recently. He commented on this post, saying he would be picking up Tesla $1,200 calls by April. Fogg finally returned again on July 3rd with a post showing that he made 300K from Tesla FDs. Then on July 6th, he posted that he had finally reached over $4 million total after his continued plays with Tesla calls. He showed screenshots of some of his Tesla positions that grew his accounts to a massive total of over $4 million. He also posted screenshots showing how the value of his accounts was hovering around $3 million until the recent Tesla stock price spike finally propelled him to over $4 million. He said that he was at $3 million for so long because he had to bail out when Tesla stock was crashing, then buy back in and pray for a breakout, which ended up happening big. Fogg was given the flair Tesla FD Millionaire and says he doesn't feel any different now that he has all this money because they're just numbers and he got extremely lucky. Fogg was able to go from $2,000 to $4 million in just 7-8 months. Definitely one of the best plays in Wall Street Bets history. He still hasn't cashed out all of his Tesla calls yet because he feels there is another million in there to be squeezed out. It turns out Fogg is only 30 years old and does design, construction, and fabrication, and VR for work. While he's not looking forward to the massive taxes he will have to pay, he feels that this is a good problem to have. Congrats on becoming a Tesla millionaire, Fogg. We hope your dad enjoys the new Tesla. Next up, we have the user Brinman O5 posting a Robinhood screenshot showing how he lost $9,787, negative 74.25% on his Facebook puts. After Facebook stock dipped about 10% on news of an advertiser boycott, Brinman O5 bet the stock would continue down and purchased 97 put contracts, expiring July 10th, with a break-even price of $188.64. Unfortunately for him, Facebook stock quickly rebounded all the way back up to all-time high territory. He was able to sell before his entire investment was lost and decided he needed to take a few days off. He learned the hard way that it's often a bad idea to bet against Zuck, Bezos, Musk, or Tim Apple. Best of luck when you return back to trading, Brinman O5. Next up, we have the user PPV Money posting a Robinhood screenshot showing that his account is up $15,106, 1,204% in just the past week. Prior to FedEx's earning report, PPV Money YOLO'd all he had left in his account by purchasing 21 FedEx $155 June 2nd call contracts at an average cost of $1.28. Luckily for him, FedEx stocks soared nearly 10% after the company beat fourth quarter EPS and revenue estimates. Just 10 minutes after the market opened, PPV Money was able to sell the contracts that he had just purchased at $1.28 for $8. This resulted in an impressive YOLO payday. For his next play, PPV Money initially planned to use his same strategy and buy UPS calls into their earnings. Instead, he decided to buy 800 shares of United Airlines and sell covered calls. Congrats on your FedEx gains, PPV Money! Next up, we have the user HeldToy005, posting a Robinhood screen recording showing his account falling from about $185K in February 2017, then spiking up to $350K on April 22, 2019. Then continuing to tank all the way down to only about $8,000. The massive April spike came from his Disney calls when Disney announced Disney+. He sold this position, then continued to reinvest with back-to-back big losses. Most of his losses came from options plays on Disney and Spy. Users on Wallstreetbets couldn't understand why he wouldn't withdraw any money from his account, but he said it was because he was trying to become a millionaire too soon and didn't know what he was doing. So far, he's sucked at this game, but he plans to recover his losses before his birthday. Best of luck with your comeback, HeldToy005. Next up, we have the user Sunset Chaser, posting a Robinhood screenshot showing he's down $28,603 after his account tanked when he decided to buy April SPY 200 puts. After the market crashed, Sunset Chaser bet that it had more room to fall based on some Wallstreetbets due diligence posts. Unfortunately for Sunset Chaser, SPY rebounded sharply and he didn't cut his losses when it went to 250. Luckily for him, he didn't YOLO his entire account and still has over $67,000 to invest. After this costly lesson, he learned a few things about avoiding emotional investing, cutting your losses, and doing your own due diligence. Sunset Chaser just started trading earlier this year and is currently working to get his account back in the green. Best of luck with your comeback, Sunset Chaser! Last up, we have the user KB_Throwaway723, posting a Robinhood screenshot showing that he's up $18,280, 129%, on his Alibaba calls. Over the past couple months, KB_Throwaway723 has been accumulating numerous Alibaba $250, $220, and $260 call contracts. Luckily for him, Alibaba stock has continued to rise over the past few months to over $235. KB_Throwaway723 hasn't sold his calls yet and is still holding, as he believes this is just the beginning of an Alibaba breakout that will go over $250. However, he decided to buy some short-term puts to hedge his trade. Congrats on your Alibaba gains, KB_Throwaway723! Thanks for watching this Wallstreetbets recap video. Leave a comment on what you're trading this week, and remember to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell. Be sure to check out our Wallstreetbets playlist for more videos like this. Best of luck getting those sweet, sweet tendies!